Hey guys, today we're doing a lava lamp experiment. You will need a jar, baking soda, vinegar, food coloring, and oil. So first, we have to put the baking soda here. Now let's add some oil. Now let's add the color to the vinegar. I think two. Okay, now I'm gonna make it rainbow. I'm gonna use yellow, green, and blue too. Okay, there. So it looks like red, it's actually orange. Now the final part. The lava lamp. Starting to fizz. Oh.